How to join Uber. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can join Uber as a driver, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now you're done becoming an Uber rider. Now you want to ride on Uber, which means you want to become a driver on Uber and start making money for yourself. Now in order to do this thing, what you basically have to do is you have to download the Uber Drive application first from your Play Store or your App Store. Then once you happen to download the Uber Driver app, you're going to be able to set this type of interface where it asks you for a couple of details first, so you can simply go ahead and then fill in and log into your normal Uber account. Then after it asks you these details, you have to make sure to enter your profile photo and then just tap on the take photo option that you can find here by following the rules it tells you to. Then similarly, you have to also go and actually enter and take a photo of your driving license, vehicle insurance, registration certificate and vehicle commercial permit. After you fill in all these details, Uber might take some time to verify it, and after that you can start driving on Uber Eats as well as also the Uber app. And this is how you can join Uber as a driver. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.